Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the Lasfit LEDs into the fog lights on the truck. I hate halogens. Not only that, the stock halogens are terrible. So let's get started. So simple things you're going to need: 15mm socket, ratchet, and impact. Let's get started. So first things first. There's a bolt there, bolt down there, and then those two bolts on the other side. You need to take those out to get to the housing. Alright, the housing is right there, so let's pull it out. Make sure that you have your light ready. And clip. And on the light, on the plug itself, there's a positive and a negative. You can see here. This is the way it's supposed to be going in, like so. Positive facing up. Take it, plug it back in. Okay, so now that the new light is in, let's go in and double check to make sure it works or plugged in right. Alright, as you can see, we're all lit up and we're good to go. Alright, so now all you need to do is reverse the process of putting the cover back on, and you'll be good to go. Alright, so we are all buttoned up here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below, and we'll check you on the next one. See you soon. Later.